Hello guys, welcome to my channel, Stan the Hunting Man. Stan speaking. Today I want to tell you a little something about the Star Model 40 chambered in 40 Smith & Wesson. Alright, what I want to do is I want to show you the disassembly and assembly of this pistol. Alright, just real quick. It has a 4-inch barrel. Alright, it got ambidextrous safeties. Oh, you know what? Before you do anything, let's make sure this thing is clear. Sorry about that. Nothing there. Nothing in there. Alright. One thing I like about this gun before I continue is without, oh, by the way, this gun is not mine. This gun was loaned to me, given to me by a friend to clean. So I figured since I have it, might as well make a little YouTube video about it, because I'm running out of guns anyway. So as I was saying, one thing about this gun, if the magazine is not in, it will not shoot. So I guess that's another form of safety. Okay, magazine in. It's pretty cool, huh? I never had a pistol like this before. So, alright, like I said, it's clear. Nothing in there. Okay. So, I'm going to need to hammer down for this. Okay, so might as well start with the magazine. It holds 6 in one in the magazine, single stack. You have ambidextrous safeties. Left, right, one on the left, one on the right. You have your hammer, you have your ramp front sight, and you have what looks like an adjustable rear sight. From the look of this, it looks like you need an Allen key to adjust it some kind of way. Okay. You have your magazine release. Where is it? Magazine release right here. Let's not drop out. Let's see. You have some, I don't know what kind of grip these are. They feel pretty good in your hand. Checkered grips. Get a nice, it's a little small for me. It wouldn't be a bad pocket gun though. Like I said, it's chambered in 40 cal, 40 Smith & Wesson. It has the little ridges here, depending on how you grip it. That's pretty cool. Let's see. I don't think I missed anything. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, this is pretty much, okay, first thing you do to break this down, there is 2 marks right there on the slide. What you're going to do is you're going to push that back to that mark. Okay, this is how I do it. I hold it, I turn it this way, hold it by the trigger guard, and use my thumb to push the marks back. And then you're going to push this button right here. Alright, I usually have the safety on, but you can do it with the safety on or off. Alright, I'm gonna put the safety on. And once, actually I'm gonna take the safety off because it's hiding the mark. Okay, so it's right about there, and push. And see how that pushed out. And then you just take that little pin and pull it out. And then once you pull that out, slide comes straight off. All right, then you have your lower half. Okay, now you take your spring. You take your spring and your guide rod. Pull that forward a little bit under tension. Pull it forward. There you go. That comes out. Spring doesn't come out, or the guide rod doesn't come out. Then you want to take your barrel, pull it up, and kind of turn it a little bit. And pull it out. So then you have all your little pieces. And then you can do whatever you want with them. This gun does need cleaned. All your pieces here. This gun does need cleaned. That's why she let me have it so I can clean it for her. But I don't have no 40 count rounds. I was thinking about taking it out and, you know, shooting it, but I don't have no 40 rounds. So that's how you disassemble it. And of course, to reassemble it, it's just the opposite. All right. So you got your slide, you got your barrel, tilt it sideways a little bit, and this will get cleaned. Okay, just not today. Take your spring and your guide rod, push it in. Okay. Now you take your lower, slip it on. Hear that little click? Alright, now the same way I held it before, with the same notches over here, line them up. Put the little piece in. And it should all be back together. Now give yourself a function check. See the safety. Runs back. Safety off. Wait a minute. Oh, I forgot. This won't fire without the magazine in. All right. All right, everything looks good, back together, and that is your Star Model 40 chambered in 40 cal Smith & Wesson. Thank you for tuning in. I want to try to take this out to the range and shoot it. So let's see how it shoots. If not, thanks for tuning in, and I will try to get you some more videos out there as soon as I can. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching. Tune in. Stand and hunt, man.